Hi, this is Cheryl St.Pierre. I'm here with a package opening from Beebeecraft. So I'm going to just take the items out. And this first package here is from N Beads, natural white jade bead strand, dyed, faceted, round, mixed colored, 8 by 8 by 8 millimeter hole, 1 millimeter hole. And they say that there's 47 to 50 pieces in a strand. Well, there's 5 colors and there's 10 of each color. So there's 10 blue, 10 reddish pink, 10 light green, 10 kind of a emerald green teal, and 10 purple. So exactly 50 on my strand. So these are beautiful. Look at them. Look at the faceting. That looks like they're hand faceted because they're not all exactly the same. So those are pretty. And I had specific plans for this, but a customer had a request, so it's going to end up being her item. So my plans changed for this. So that's what happens, right? And let's see. Oh, yes. Okay, this is, these are natural crazy agate. So I usually, from my background working at a stone and gem shop, it's supposed to be crazy lace agate, but you could see the design in there. It's, this is crazy lace agate too. It's got more lace to it, I guess. But there it is. Oh, I've got one bead broken there. That's not good. Okay, so what this is it's dyed in a rumba shade in pink. There's 17 to 19.5 by 17 to 19.5 by 6 millimeters. So they're 6 millimeters thick. So it's kind of like a cushion bead. I'm going to be doing a tutorial with these. I have a specific plan for them. And this kind of gives it away too. These are Panda Hall Elite 40 sets of 4 colors of toggles. I should have opened this ahead of time. I'm going to pause and open it. Okay, so I got the basic package open. So it was cellophane on top and then in a box. And then it comes with a plastic carrying case. And, oh, it's going to be taped shut. Oh, it's not good. And there's toggles with roses. And there's 4 different colors. There's kind of like an antique gold because it's got the black, the antique silver, the silver, and then a brass, which actually goes okay with using oxidized copper. So I would use the brass with copper because it lends itself quite nicely. And this is the Tibetan Finish. Now, when they have the Tibetan Finish, that finish lasts really long. I used their bead caps with my other bracelet, my elastic bracelet that I made the tutorial for, and I wore that bracelet 6 months straight, and the finish is still good on it. So this is good quality finish on these. It's going to last a long time. So just so you know, I look forward to using that. And the finale of this package is I have some tools here. Now, I had somebody mention on my YouTube channel that maybe instead of using pencils as the rondelle, maybe I should use what's it called? Wire looping mandrel? No, it was the wire looping tool. Some have different names for it. This one's called a wire looping tool. bail makers. This is different than the bail maker pliers. I own some bail maker pliers and I don't like it because it's flat on the inside and it doesn't give a true circle. So that's why I stopped using mine. But these are the Benny Great. And so this is a plier making tool. And then it comes with 2 mandrels as well, because sometimes I don't like using the pliers when I'm doing something, and the tutorial I'm going to do using these, I definitely like using the mandrel. It's good for making jump rings, lack of words here. And I wanted to show you the chart that they gave you, so it tells you the sizes of everything. Now they don't have it so that you can print it off. So what I had to do is I had to press print screen and then print it off. So if you wanted to take a screenshot of this and print it off, if you have intentions of buying this, this would be great, because then you've got a reference as to what everything is, because it doesn't say what size it is on here, so you need your chart. So I'm going to be keeping this in a case with the chart so I can tell at all times what the sizes are. Eventually, you're going to automatically know where to go, because you're going to get your favorite sizes, what you're going to use for things. So, but the mandrels start at 10, the largest one's 10 millimeters, 9, 8, 7, 6. And the smaller one is 5 millimeters. Then they go to weird wackadoodle sizes, 3.8, 2.7, 1.7, and 1.5. Not sure why, but you know, for the in-between other sizes on your pliers here, it goes 9.5, 8.5, 7, 6, 3.5, and 3. So, you know, combined, you've got a lot of different sizes to work with. So that's pretty good. And I think I'm going to enjoy using these mandrels. I think they're going to be perfect for some of my projects, like ear wires and bails and stuff. Okay, so that's it for this Beebeecraft package opening. But I will be having 2 tutorials coming up to go with this package, as following the new guidelines. And I wanted to let you know, if you too have a YouTube channel and you have 100 subscribers or more, you can be part of this package opening just like me. And all you need to do is pick your pack. Well, you have to apply, of course, but they want me to tell you they're looking for people. So you just need to do 2 tutorials per package, and you get the stuff. You don't get money, but you get your stuff. And so you're paying it basically by doing the package opening and 2 tutorials per package opening. So there's going to be links in the description when I release the tutorials. We're supposed to have all videos at least 1 week apart. If I run into a hiccup, it's going to be longer, but I'm going to try for 1 week apart. So we will see you in the next one. God bless. Take care of yourselves, and bye for now.